right, so we're checking fluids just because we do want to crank it a little bit.
So we're a little over full on the oil.
That's fine. For what we're
but not a major big deal. I mean, it's,
no. It hasn't even left a mark where it was, because we had it inside.
Yeah, no, exactly. No,
it was inside.
Oil we're aware of.
It was inside Desert Drive all weekend, and it didn't leave anything.
Yeah, not a drop.
I mean, it's been there since what?
Last week.
Oh yeah, it's been there since. Well, we did do the push out to clean it and put it back, but yeah, It didn't leave a mark anywhere. Let's check. Okay, so sorry, the camera turned off for some reason. Checking.
It doesn't. No, it actually doesn't look bad. Let me get a light.
Terrible, but look at the. Ugh, there's schmutz on that, and you know me and these caps. I hate these pressure relief caps.
And see, I love them. I always have.
Always never see it. That's fairly clean.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's really green. That's good.
We're gonna pressure test this here.
Oh, of course.
After Wild Crocodile. All right, so Scotty's got that. Let's pull the air cleaner.
That's gonna be that next step.
Check the trans fluid too, just cause. Oh, the radiator cap came apart, so we're gonna need a cap anyway. But like I said, I do not recommend those. I know you think they're great. I did a video on how horrible they are because they never seal. But you know.
Well, I mean, when they're brand new, they're
yeah, they last about.
You can
they last for about 3 times and then they're dry.
Just don't when you're an 18-year-old kid and you think you know everything.
You're like 55 and think you know everything.
Well, it depends on the day and what I'm doing and who's paying me.
Oh my God.
But back to reality. So
reality.
When I did it and I made that mistake, I had to have this wrist completely recovered with skin.
Is that skin off your ass?
No, thank God.
Oh.
I had put my wrist like this to stop the flow, and it took.
Because I figured you could go up and be like, kiss my ass.
Right?
Just a little silliness.
Oh, yeah.
We're cleaner than usual because
Yes,
it's New Year, but that
doing...
was, you know, we're talking about a donkey, I swear. Anyway, so Scotty's going to pull the air cleaner. We're going to check the trans fluid. And then we're going to fill the carb and see. Well, before that, we're going to unhook the coil and crank it just to build oil pressure. And then we will fill the carb and see what we got. That's needs a filter, but other than that,
actually not really, really bad. I mean, it's a little dirty. But
it's like $6, dude. We're gonna get a filter.
But I'm saying it's not really, really bad.
You're not really, really bad either.
I do pretty good.
You ain't great, but you know, whatever. Yeah, pull it out there. Take the whole thing. We don't need that in our way. All right, so Scotty's gonna get this off. He's gonna check the trans fluid real fast. We're gonna crank it with the coil unhooked.
Oh, this is gonna break, and I know it.
It's okay. We can get new ones. Well, because it's hose clamped. Fun.
I couldn't see the back of that.
All right, so Scotty's gonna undo that. Let me pull the coil wire off now.
Yeah, do that real quick.
Ooh, I already see a vampire clip
Rough.
on the ignition.
Lovely.
Which is no es bueno. So we're probably gonna have to address that. But all right, Scotty's gonna pull this and we'll crank it. Next time we see it, we'll be cranking.